Hey Curly Queens Kings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a DIY. If you saw my Instagram story yesterday, you saw what I am going to do. I'm going to be making a deep conditioning mask for your hair. These are the ingredients right here. I will show you. So here are the ingredients. This is my homemade black seed oil. It has avocado oil, grapeseed oil, ground black seeds. I let it sit for about 2 weeks and it became this black seed oil right here. And I'm going to use, obviously, an overripe banana. Honey. And then you're going to need your food processor.